Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you EVS part 2, lesson number 15, a memorable ceremony. Let's start with our lesson. 15, a memorable ceremony. Why did Shivaji have himself crowned? शिवाजी महाराज ने अपनी crowning क्यों की? Let's see in our lesson. Shivaji took the oath of Swaraj in the temple of Raireshwar. He had to face numerous difficulties and calamities in his efforts to win Swaraj for his people. But with great courage and skill, Shivaji overcome them all. Swaraj had stepped out of its childhood and was growing fast. Men like Baji Prabhu, Murar Baji, Tanaji nursed it with their blood. The new kingdom was both respected and feared. So, what did Shivaji Maharaj had decided? To start Swaraj. He took the oath, that means promise, in the temple of Raireshwar. By facing all difficulties and calamities, finally, Shivaji Maharaj had set up the Swaraj in Maharashtra. Men like Baji Prabhu, Murar Baji, Tanaji had also supported him. The new kingdom was both respected and feared. किंगडम को क्या मिलने लगा? द स्वराज किंगडम को क्या मिलने लगा? प्रॉपर रिस्पेक्ट एंड पीपल यूज्ड टू फियर फ्रॉम देम. With a view to having this kingdom recognized by all other princes in the land, big and small, Shivaji decided to have himself crowned. After hundreds of years, a king was born in Maharashtra who would treat all religions equally and give justice and happiness to his subjects. Shivaji decided to have himself crowned so that everyone would come to know that Swaraj had been firmly established. He did not do it for self-glorification or personal happiness. He did it to give the newly founded Swaraj a firm footing. So, हमने क्वेश्चन रीड किया था, शिवाजी महाराज ने अपनी क्राउनिंग क्यों की? एग्जैक्टली. सो व्हाई डिड ही क्राउन? सो दैट एवरीवन विल स्टार्ट रिकॉग्नाइज दैट द न्यू किंगडम हैज़ बीन सेटअप. जो स्वराज किंगडम प्रॉपर सेटअप हो गया. प्रिंसेस लाइक अदर रूलर, बाकी के युवराज एंड राजा शुड कम टू नो या दैट अ न्यू किंगडम इज मेड. सो दैट फॉर द रिकॉग्निशन, that's why Shivaji had decided to crown himself. शिवाजी महाराज ने क्या डिसाइड किया कि वो खुद की क्राउनिंग करेंगे, सो डैट बाकी के युवराज, वेदर बिग और स्मॉल, एवरीवन शुड स्टार्ट रिकॉग्नाइजिंग देम. आफ्टर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ईयर्स, देयर वॉज अ किंग हु हैड ट्रीटेड ऑल रिलीजन्स इक्वली एंड हैड गिवन जस्टिस टू ऑल. वाई डिड यू थिंक कि शिवाजी महाराज ने अपनी क्राउनिंग क्यों की? For glorification, for happiness? No, just for the recognition of his kingdom. Then come to next, the capital of Swaraj. Shivaji selected Raigad as the capital of his kingdom. शिवाजी महाराज ने अपना कैपिटल क्या सिलेक्ट किया? रायगढ़. बिकॉज रायगढ़ वॉज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग हिल फोर्ट. रायगढ़ क्या था? एक स्ट्रॉन्ग हिल फोर्ट था. सो डैट it was easy for the Maharaj to administer from there, and he can keep a watch on enemy as well. Shivaji Raje inspected his troops at Chiplaun. He visited Pratapgarh and took the goddess Bhavani's darshan. In grateful memory, he presented to the temple a golden canopy for the goddess. So, Shivaji Maharaj, he had decided Raigad as capital of his kingdom so that he can administer everything from there, and even he can keep a watch on enemies. Then from Chiplaun, he inspected his troops. Troops means soldiers. And he visited to Pratapgarh. क्यों गए थे प्रतापगढ़? To take the Bhavani's darshan. Goddess Bhavani के दर्शन के लिए Shivaji Maharaj has visited to Pratapgarh. He offered a golden canopy. Do you know kids what is canopy? Canopy means ऐसे goddess के जो सर के ऊपर होती है ना, golden कलर का छाता जैसा, और a type of a roof, it is called as canopy. Shivaji Maharaj has presented golden canopy for the goddess. Come to next slide. Next, preparations for the coronation. What is coronation? It is an official ceremony in which a person or somebody is made king or a queen. Okay, that ceremony is called as coronation. Then Shivaji Raje ordered a golden throne to be made and had it studded with precious stones. He put a white royal umbrella over the throne. Invitations to the coronation were sent out to princes and kings, learned Brahmins, all the Sardars under his command, and other officers. Gaga Bhatt came from Varanasi to act as the chief priest at the ceremony. Gaga Bhatt originally belonged to Pathan but had settled down in Varanasi. He was a great and renowned scholar respected in Varanasi. So finally किसका दिन आ गया? कोरोनेशन की तैयारी होने लगी. Like शिवाजी महाराज ने क्या किया? A golden throne का ऑर्डर दिया which was having precious stones too. Studded means जड़ाऊ होते हैं ना, तो precious stones भी लगे थे उनके throne में. There was having a royal umbrella too. And who were invited? All the prince, all the kings, Brahmins, Sardar and other officers were invited for the ceremony. Now there was a priest, chief priest. Who was he? Gaga Bhatt. He was from Varanasi. Originally he belonged to Pathan but he was settled down in Varanasi and was a renowned scholar. मतलब उनकी बहुत इज्जत थी वाराणसी में. That he is considered to be as chief priest. Shivaji Maharaj made detailed preparations for the coronation. Men were sent out to bring waters of the 7 rivers and the sea. Nearly 50,000 people gathered at Raigad. Small tents, big tents, spacious shamiyanas to accommodate the guests could be seen everywhere. So, coronation की preparations होने लगी. Shivaji Maharaj, what he did? He had made everything clear that what has to be done, what not. Then they have decided to bring 7 rivers water for the coronation ceremony. And for the people who were invited, for their accommodation they have made small tents as well as big tents, shamiyanas too. So kids, here we are stopping with our lesson. Next we will be continuing in our next video. Okay, till that read the lesson. Bye bye.